Hello everyone. In today's class, I'll be continuing the same problem which I have already given you in the last class. So Srikanth obtains a lace from Senthil Brothers, the same problem. Okay, so I'm continuing here. So in this session, I'll be preparing royalty receivable account, short working allowable account, and Reddy's account, that is sub-lessee's account. So previous class alli now already table showing royalty payment agreement between Srikanth and Reddy, that is lessee and sublessee. So ಅದನ್ನ already discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ output ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು Reddy's output 100, 200, 340, 530, 580. So we already discussed about this in the previous class. So let us move on to royalty receivable account. Okay, so for royalty due, entry should be passed is sublessee's account debtor to royalty receivable account. Okay, so royalty receivable account credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ by sublessee Reddy, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ by Reddy's account 700, that is royalty 700. Okay, next ನೀವು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಬೈ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 500. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 500 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 500 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ 500. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 700 to profit and loss account, that is for transfer of royalty to profit and loss account. The entries royalty receivable account debtor to profit and loss account. So 200, 700 minus 500, 200. Okay, next again same entry next year also 2011 we have to pass the same entry by Reddy's account 1400 royalty. Okay, so royalty payable is how much here 1400 to royalty payable account. So royalty payable account na credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ by royalty receivable account 1000. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ to royalty payable account 1000, total 1400. Next for transfer of royalty to profit and loss account, to profit and loss account 400, that is 1400 minus 1400. Next 2012 for royalty due by Reddy's account 2380 royalty to royalty payable account 1700. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೈ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 1700 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 1700 ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 680, 2380 minus 1700, 680. Next for royalty due entries by Reddy's account 3710 to royalty payable account 2650 to profit and loss account 1060. Difference 3710 minus 2650, 1060. Next 2014 by Reddy's account 4060 royalty in the year 2014 to royalty payable account 2900, total 4060. Next amount transferred to profit and loss account 4060 minus 2900, 1160. Next come to short working allowable account. So for royalty due gain entry dalli sublessees account debtor to short workings account. So short workings allowable account credit side alli by Reddy's account 2300 short working. Okay, short working 2300. Total 2300. Balance 2300. By balance brought down 2300. Again for short working royalty due entry by Reddy's account. Short working 1600 in the year 2011. Total 3900. Balance 3900. By balance brought down 3900. Next year short working ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ರೆಡ್ಡೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಡ್ಯೂಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬೈ ರೆಡ್ಡೀಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 620 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೇನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ for short working return of short workings account debtor to profit and loss account. So short working allowable account debtor to profit and loss account, that is short working return of 2300. Total 4520, difference 2220. By balance brought down 2220. Okay. Next in the year 2013 there is recoupment of short working and short working return off. So for recoupment of short working entry is short workings account debtor to sublessees account. So short workings account debtor to Reddy's account 710 short working recouped. For short working return of short workings account debtor to profit and loss account. So short workings allowable account debtor to profit and loss account 890. Total 2220. Difference 620. By balance brought down 620. Next in the year 2014 there is recoupment of short working of rupees 620. So for recoupment of short working the entries to Reddy's account. It should be Reddy's account. So by mistake it has written as Desai's account. So it should be Reddy's account to Reddy's account 620. Okay. Total 620. Next let us prepare Reddy's account, sublessees account. So sublessees account, sublessee account alli ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಡ್ಯೂಗೆ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು sublessees account debtor to royalty account to short working account. So Reddy's account debtor to royalty receivable account 700 to short working allowable account 2300 for royalty received. So received from Reddy. For receiving the royalty from Reddy, the entry is bank account debtor to sublessees account. So on the credit side by bank account 3000 amount received from sublessee Reddy. Okay. Next in the year 2011 for royalty due entries to royalty receivable account 1400 royalty to short working allowable account 1600 for receiving the cash from Reddy by bank account 3000. Total 3000. Next 2012 to royalty receivable account 2380 royalty. Okay. 2380 royalty 620 short working. 620 short working. So to short working allowable account 620 by bank account 3000 cash received from Reddy 3000. Next 2013 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವೇಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3710 by bank account cash received from Reddy 3000. Okay, next 710 short working recouped. For recoupment of short working entry, short working account debtor to sublessees account. So on the credit side of sublessees account by short workings, allowable account 710, total 3710. 2014 there is no short working, so to royalty receivable account, that is royalty 4060, by bank account cash received from Reddy 3440, by short working allowable account, that is short working recouped 620. Okay, by short working allowable account 620, total 4060.